Welcome back. So we have another factor, which is technical SEO. So here you can see we have three things in this sitemap.xml, and the second thing is robot.txt files, and the third is series 01 redirect. So first thing first, you need to understand what are the sitemap and how you can use it. Sitemaps are actually the sitemap which is let the Google know that what your site looks like, and what kind of pages your site has. So these are actually the sitemap. All you need is to use the plugin, SEO rank map or Yoast, to get the sitemap and submit the sitemap to the Google. Let me show you an example. What are the sitemaps? So when you have a blog, like this is a blog, all you need is to just slash write slash sitemap.xml. So you will get to see most of the files, and post sitemap, pages sitemaps, and category sitemaps, and text post text sitemaps. So you will eventually see some of these sitemaps. Here we have another this is IKEA, an e-commerce website has which of course has an HTML sitemap. So every blog contain this sitemap, so that this thing let Google know that what this website pages looks like and how many pages are in the site. So that's what XML sitemap is. Second thing is Robot.txt. So this is the new thing for you. It is actually it is actually a file or a plain text. Here you can see in a root directory of your website that instruct web crawlers like Google bots on how to crawl and index your site. Don't worry if using a website builder. Yeah, so this is the definition of this. These are actually the files which let Google bots know that how to crawl or index your site. So most of you guys don't know, robot.txt files. What you need is you need to, there are lots of plugins for this. But if you're using, don't worry if you're using website builders. If you're using hosting from Hostinger or any hosting company, and you're using website builders in that, so you don't need to worry about these two things, because you will eventually find these two things in your WordPress dashboard. Or you can also use plugins to find these files. Here we have another thing, which is 301 direct. So most of the websites, when we just search the website, it shows a 301 redirect, which is very bad for SEO. So for that, what you need is you need to download some of the plugins for plugins, for 301 redirect, and then all you need is to just activate those plugins into your WordPress website, or if you're using any CMS system, you can use those, you can use plugin 301 redirect plugin there. Just go and search 301 redirect plugin on your WordPress dashboard, plugins in the plugins options. So I guess these are the three things which you need to know about. And if you want to, if you want to go into the deep of these three things, you can do that by researching yourself. So I guess that's pretty much it. See you in the next one.